This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
Ever wished computers could truly see the world through your eyes? What if wearable tech could understand your context, your environment, and even your intentions?
We're excited to announce the next step in our journey, the second generation of Aria glasses.
Feast your eyes on Project Aria Gen 2. This isn't just another gadget. This is a revolution in wearable intelligence. Forget clunky headsets and awkward interfaces. We're talking about sleek research glasses packed with a sensor suite that's about to redefine AI as we know it.
We are building AI capabilities with a deeper understanding of the wearer's context and the environment.
Deeper understanding. What does that even mean? Imagine glasses that know exactly where you are, indoors and out, with pinpoint accuracy. Aria Gen 2 isn't just mapping spaces, it's mapping your journey through them in real time. But that's not all. Prepare to be amazed. These glasses see what you see. Advanced eye tracking follows your gaze, understanding exactly what you're looking at. And get this, it tracks your hands too. Ever struggle with noisy environments? Aria Gen 2 has you covered. Featuring contact and spatial microphones, it can distinguish your voice from the chaos around you. Crystal clear communication, no matter where you are. Forget shouting over background noise. This is voice tech, redefined. Power that lasts? Absolutely. Aria Gen 2 boasts a 40% increase in battery capacity without adding any extra weight. More power, same sleek design. That's innovation. This isn't just about cool tech. It's about unlocking a new era of human-centric computing. Imagine the breakthroughs in robotics, accessibility, and countless other fields. Project Aria Gen 2. It's more than just glasses, it's a window into the future of AI. Want to learn more about AI research and see what's next in tech innovation? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.